What's up, it's your boy Silent Scream again. I got another verse, well, a song for y'all, so check it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Like a motherfucking ruler scavenger. Armed or unarmed, we can still damage ya and leave y'all choking on the spot we're lit. Your young money rounds are fucking worthless. Your leader be retarded cause he always shirtless, showing off his status symbols and digits. Not only he is scrawny, but he a fucking midget. 5 foot, 6 foot, shorter, young money, cash money's about to get slaughtered. Lyrically elite, it's physically later. I'm speaking the truth, but I ain't being hater. No, never hater. Never hater. Ha. Murder in a newborn city, shit talkers get dropped. Dead on sight in the ER in critical condition. Oh shit, did I mention your family went to hell to farewell to those cats crossed because they never see the daylight again. Cause when it's coerced to a murder scene, I always take my time of covering up scene well. My brain's forming sort of woeful, yeah. Though incidental, supposedly it was me who caught that global warming, but now this beat echoing back and forth through my mind, and I'm on like an doing Yoda. I got 5 cellular phones and all of them outdated. 3 close homies who are fresh out of jail. All of them drug related. I got 2 hoes with ponytails who up on the train, preferably 2 bitches at the same time. I don't like to ride the monorail. Fame, gangsta fame, sight of authorities, they shake, you feel the earthquake. They mob, as you say, not knowing your life is a disease. I got the cure to your waste, the master unequal growth to my writing, all legendary. And I don't give a fuck if you don't give a fuck. I shot myself down twice before you shot me. You only shot me up, voices talk to me, including you wanting fun. Life is too for the foolishness. But you want racks, huh? Fucking wax, son. Sit down back, bub. In the bathtub with the battery acid, wax on wax off. Flesh bone, dead body, with Mr. Miyagi. His old shorts fucking me with the get you retard faster than no folks. I'm certainly bold, then almost like a push boulder on tall slopes. I rock and roll more than the rolling stone. Spark up a weed bowl. I thrive off the unknown as opposed to a blind bitch, joggling, grease pose up plus. I'm hungry for murder money, one then Pac-Man, he swallow feed goes. Yo. The whole gets dark and fall into a famous distance. For pep out, The whole gets dark to fall into the fuck.